Okay, we're going to try to hone this cylinder, see if we can get a piston to fit. It's real close and I don't want to stick it on the lathe just for that. So we're going to hone it and try to fit it. Okay, it needs a little more. Piston starts to fit, but it stops around the center of the cylinder, so we need to cut the center a little more. Okay, let's try the piston and see how close we are. Some more. Just debating on whether we should stick it on the lathe, but I think this is a better way. Maybe we should try it on the lathe.
We wanted to see if it'll skim some off it.
So we've got about that much that needs to be cut. Let's go stick it in the lathe.
Okay.
The inside of the cylinder. It needs a little more. Right in the center there. We're getting there though. I don't want to cut it too fast because I don't want to cut too much off. And we're going to get it to where we barely have the clearance. And then we're going to hone the rest out. probably make this last cut, and then we'll hone the rest. Turn this cutter, I think it's dulled up. Okay, we gotta sneak up on it with this one though, because this is gonna cut. I'm going to set this up a little bit different so we don't get any chatter. I'm going to get a lot closer here. So that I know I'm all the way in.
Is that little peg will hit when it turns?
Hmm?
The little...
Yeah, so I'm not going to go all the way in, but I want to know when I am all the way in.
Okay.
So this way I can gauge it. Yeah, see, we're not hitting there. Okay, let's see, I think we can do that. Okay. Probably close now. Still got a hot spot right in the center. which is good because it's got a bad spot we got to clean up, so that's good. Got a good cut on that one. There's a little bit in the very end that I need to cut off, but this might be pretty close. There's a hot spot right there. It's not bad. So let's see the piston.
Try to get it in.
Yeah, it's good there, but I need to cut off a little lip that it left inside there, but I need to measure this right on the money. Just need to hone it out now. Can you see the piston? Okay, there's that. Yeah, see, that came out. I had to get a little bit back here. It looks really good. Just needs to be honed, that's all. Okay, let's go over there and hone it. Okay, we just need to hone this now, and we should be good to go. clean this and see what it looks like. Needs a little bit more honing. That looks good.
What is the gap on the ring supposed to be?
About 4 to 5 thousandths. I think you're going to be real close because this feels really good here.
Okay.
So let me spray it so it don't rust. Yeah, so right here, it's got a little play because it was wear from before. But up here feels really good, and that's where it really counts, so that the rings...
That's where you'll see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want me to leave it in it, or...?
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, we got a good fit on this. Piston fits really nice. We'll have to check the ring gap and see what that shows, but I think that we're good.